Hello, so in this video I will tell you about the best uses of ChatGPT that I found. So I am going to share those with you so that you can take benefit from this tool as well. So the first thing that I like about ChatGPT that it analyze the question or the problem that you give to it, and it uses its all of the intelligence and response back to you. So there are a few things that I love about this. So if I go to Quora, you might have seen this website name. So here people ask different questions, so and we write the answers, and this gives us follower and we can create a strong profile if we have answered a lot of questions. So here you can see I have 8.1k content views and I answer to the questions of the people here. So this chat gpt is giving me a lot of new possibilities to grow my profile on Quora. So for example, if someone is asking a question like this, so if I copy this question, and go to the chat gpt and I paste over the question over here, so this tool will write the best answer for this question, and I think personally that it's write the one of the best and top class answer, because a lot of human cannot write this type of answer that it analyzes very well and it gives the answer related to the question in the best possible way. I love this thing about this new tool, and if you will write any question over here from Quora, and it will give the best answer, and I am getting very good response on them as well. Like if I will go to my stats, so I am using this tool from like 2 days only, and here you can see the views are growing up. Like it is increasing the speed. First of all, that I was writing, if I was writing for like 50 words per minute or maybe even less than that, so this tool is helping me to answer more people. Like I can answer about 10 different questions in like 30 minutes only, and this tool is helping me a lot in growing my profile on Quora. So this is the first secret that I wanted to share with you, that is that you can use the chat gpt to write the answers on Quora and you can grow your profile. The second best thing about this chat gpt is will be useful for you if you are a freelancer and you have a lots of client. So if I show you my Fiverr, and here the Fiverr has introduced a new feature of the brief where you get job. Okay, so you will get a job and you will have to write your proposal. If this is the description of the job, I can make this chat gpt to write the project proposal for me. So I will type in, so here under quotation mark I will type in the title or the description of the job and I will press enter. So now this tool will write the job or project proposal to the client. It will do such a tremendous job and it will create a very great type of proposal to the client. Like you can see how it is writing, and I don't found any mistake in this. Like if you will give a unique problem to it, it will give you a unique solution. So I have also used this tool to write some job proposal for me for my Upwork and Fiverr profile, and I am also getting replies I recently submitted a job proposal and I got reply by the client in like a few minutes only. So that's are the two secret that I wanted to share with you. And if you like this video, just let me know. I will share more secrets with you. So don't miss this opportunity, guys. This tool is currently available for free, but I don't think that it will be available for free in the future. And also make sure to make a little change when you get the answer from this chat gpt. You should make a little change, and a final touch is a must in this, otherwise the client may understand that you are just copy pasting. So you should make a little changes in the core answer and you in this proposal as well. Just let me know if you like to see more videos like this on my channel. So thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel for more related videos.